back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Abby. I'm still new here. So for today's video, I wanted to film all the products that I got from the VIB Sephora sale back in May. It is still May. It is not May anymore. We're in June. Let's get to it. Alright, so the first product I got is a toner from Glow Recipe. I don't know if you guys can see that. Sorry if it's not in focus. It's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore-Tight Toner. It's also known for hydrating and to help with pores. I know a lot of people like to know about ingredients, so this toner specifically has watermelon because it's in the name. It's basically an amino acid and it's a vitamin-rich fruit that helps to hydrate, soothe, and fight free radical damage. So for all my people who have dry skin, this is a very good product. This also works for people who are oily and combo. This product also has hyaluronic acid, which helps with hydration and maintains moisture for supple, bouncy skin. And yeah, so this toner, if you guys see it, it has a bouncy effect from the cactus water that's in it. So the PHA that is used in this helps smooth and soften skin, and it's also known to be great for sensitive skin. So if you guys have sensitive skin, this is a good product for you. I also have sensitive skin. Every time I try a new product, like, it's either, okay, this is for everyone, it either works or it doesn't. For this one, it worked pretty well for my skin. Like, I'm currently combo, but I'm more on the dry side, but it really helps maintain moisture in my face and also helps not make me look oily, which is in my T-zone area, so the forehead, nose, that area. For the BHA, there are two types of salicylic acid alternatives. One of them is willow bark, and the second one is betaine salicylate. Girl, I'm in bio and I don't even know how to say this. I'm so sorry. Unplugs pores and calms the skin. So if you guys are looking for a new toner to try out and you're either dry, combo, oily, normal, this would be a good product for you. I think this is a very good toner. Also, y'all, it is so pretty. Like, you're also paying for the package in this. This is aesthetics, you know what I'm saying? Will I buy this again? I don't know, cause okay, you know, I really like it, but she's just expensive. She's just expensive. So yeah, next product I bought is from FARMACY. So basically, this is their oil-free gel moisturizer with Moringa and Moringa, girl, and Papaya. Honestly, this is what it looks like. It kind of smells like medicine. I don't know if this is what papaya smells like or moringa, girl, like I said. But anyway, yeah, I think this is a very good moisturizer. I think this is specifically made for people who are oily, and you know, when you're oily, you don't really retain moisture that well, so that's why your skin reacts that way to produce more oil. It produces more oil so that your skin is, you know, okay, what? So this works with all skin type. This is specifically made for people, I think, that are more on the oily side. So this just helps maintain moisture. Yeah, the reason that people are oily is because their skin lacks moisture in it. So that's why the skin reacts in a way where it just produces more oil so that it can compensate for the dry skin. I think this is a good product. Honestly, if this wasn't on the sale, I don't know if I would have bought it because, girl, she's expensive. All these products are expensive. I also bought another moisturizer, but this is not for me. This is for my friend Hannah. It's from The Ordinary. A lot of people like products from The Ordinary. Everyone I know has tried this moisturizer and they really like it. I personally haven't tried it myself. I don't know, I tried some products from The Ordinary and just didn't work for my skin. Then again, like all my other friends who bought The Ordinary, it worked for them. Maybe my skin just needs luxurious products, but girl, if you know, you know. Oh wait, I want to talk about this first. Next I bought is a serum. So basically at the Sephora sale, I bought a whole new skincare routine because my regular skincare routine, which is from Innisfree, if you guys want a video on that, comment down below. Girl, she don't ship online. There's nothing. I was like, hey, you know what? Let me just take advantage of the sale and keep my B&B status. So here we are. It is the LANEIGE girl. Glowy makeup serum. You can use this as a serum to help as a serum, because that's what it is, to help moisturize, to help hydrate your face. This product is also known as a primer. After you moisturize, you can put it on afterwards and it acts as a primer for your makeup. So I tried it out today, and girl or boy, I don't know who is watching, my makeup looks so good. SKL share collab. I think it looks good. Honestly, I don't really wear makeup that, like, I don't wear a full face that often. Okay, so today I also filmed another video. It was my guy friends do a voiceover of my makeup routine, but my normal makeup routine, like on school days, is literally just like concealer and brows, and I'm out the door because nobody got time for a full face. I even did eyeliner, y'all. You see that? Okay. I don't, like, no one has time for that. But if you do, that's great. Honestly, so I'm in science, and there are people that come to an 8 AM class with a full face of makeup, and I'm like, girl, you got time. Look at you. She's thriving in life. I can't even stay awake in class, you know what I mean? But like, if you know, you know. So yeah, it looks like this. And there are actually, you know what? There are actually like little stuff in there, you know. Can you see that, girl? I'm so sorry. You know what, I'm also filming on my phone and I'm trying to figure out how to use this. So yeah, I like it. I think this is one of my favorite products. Will I buy it again? Probably. But I mean, like, if you got money to splurge, you know, you could splurge on that product. That's a really good product. So I bought 3 masks. 2 of them are for your face, the 3rd one is for your hair, so we'll get into that. First mask I bought, it is the LANEIGE water sleeping mask, and I had to get lavender just because, y'all, I love lavender. I love everything. I love lavender. I love it. Or lilac, you know, lilac scents, or is it lilac scent? Girl, I don't know. Lilac colors, lavender scents. But yeah, oh guys, like I said, my skin's on the combo side, but my skin's a combination. My skin type is combo, but I've been more on the dry side. I said to myself, let me treat myself. Let me get a mask for hydration. Da-na-na-na. Look how pretty she is. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so, oh gosh. I just got it all over, girl. Got this product. Yes. This is a very good product. It also comes with a scapula. I think that's what it's called. Spatula. Scapula is what you use in science. See, girl, I'm so sorry. So this product is pretty good. I've used it probably twice already, and my skin the next day, she looking hydrated, she looking supple, she looking smooth, she looking fresh. But I'm not even going anywhere. I'm just home, so no one really sees my skin. Nobody really, you know, sees the improvement. So if you know, I struggle with acne. I still struggle with acne here and there. Doesn't really look like it though, right? Okay, gotta be humble. Okay, gotta remember your humble beginnings. Guys, I'm gonna make an acne skincare routine for you guys because I struggled with acne. She's struggling out here, but I want to share the tips, the secrets to achieving clear skin, because guys, I literally tried everything. I bought so many products that did not work for me, and it was just awful. I even went to a dermatologist. I even bought, like, I spent so much, not me, my parents spent so much money just for my skin to look decent. Girl, she did not look decent. Waste of money, but that's okay. No, 2020, we looking good out here, but you know, coronavirus. Okay, guys, I love this product. I just got it in the mail and I tried it out. This is the best product I have ever used in my life. This is the best mask I've ever experienced. Summer Friday. Can you? The box kind of too big to fit, but Summer Friday overtime mask. This mask has. Hey guys, I'm not wearing glasses right now, so I can't really see the small font. I'm just gonna put these on. I also have my laptop on the side to act as light. Yeah, when you're just starting out YouTube, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know. That's my laptop. Hey, don't you love that? Don't you love improvise? What? Anyway, don't you love it? In this mask, it basically acts as an exfoliant. This is a brand that I really wanted to try out. I actually wanted to try out their other mask, which is their jet lag mask, but the mini was sold out and your girl could not afford the other one. This is my decisions in life, everybody. It's my priorities. For this brand, it is cruelty free, so they don't test on animals. It is artificial what? It is artificial fragrance free and is also sulfate free. So I think it's cinnamon and pumpkin in this. Cinnamon and pumpkin. Okay, wait, let me just. Okay. This product, I don't even know if I took it. Did I show down the box yet? This mask is specifically for those who want to work on dullness and uneven texture, fine lines and wrinkles, and pores. Honestly, guys, there are a lot of controversies about every brand, but I love this. Even though she hella expensive. Oh my gosh, guys, like, girl. Oh my gosh, she expensive. It says put on a thick layer. I can't afford that. I can't afford thick layers, so I literally put a thin layer on my face, and it says to scrub it for 60 seconds and leave it on for 10 minutes. I left it on for a bit longer because, you know, I want to get my money's worth. I washed my face after and oh my gosh. So I had bumps on my face and it went away. And it was just a great time. Will I buy this again? I have to save so much money because I buy a lot of stuff. Oh my gosh, guys. Like, if you know, you know. Honestly, guys, I'm just going to leave on my glasses for the rest of the video because your girl's struggling to read these things. I'm like squinting. Like, look how tiny this is. I can't read that. Not that I don't enjoy wearing glasses. Like, actually, no, I think I look like a nerd because I'm blind. But my friend was just like, no, you look fine. I'm like, oh, thanks. Appreciate that. Boost my self-confidence. The last mask I bought was a hair mask. Not even a hair mask, sorry. So the next product is a hair product for me because, like, I dyed my hair. She a bit damaged. Not even a bit. She damaged. Okay? Like, I really want to cut it off, but it took me so long to grow my hair. The roots are growing back in and she damaged, split ends. Disgusting. I paid too much for this hair, you know? So I'll let it grow it out. I'll just grow it out. So when I read it on the website, I thought it was gonna be a big bottle. Girl or boy, she looking like this. Not focusing because I'm filming on an iPhone on my front camera because I need to see myself because your girl's self-conscious. Honestly, I thought this was gonna be a waste of money. I'm like, I'm gonna finish this in 2 days, literally, because my hair's so damaged. I need all the help I can get. It hasn't even made a dent, and I've been using it every day since I got it, and probably for 2 weeks now. So basically, there's a lot of amino acids here, a lot of things in here. This product works with any hair type, so if you have straight hair, I have straight hair, but I put it up in a bun because it was just annoying me, and I put it down because if I put it up, I don't really look that good. Okay. You have wavy hair, curly, or coily? I don't know what coily even looks like. Also works for fine, medium, and thick hair. So if you have any of those, yeah, so I think my hair is pretty fine. Like, girl, she's thin. And so the benefits of this product is that it hydrates, it reduces frizz, and it also helps with your split end breakage and all that beautiful things that you look for in a hair product. There are a lot of mixed reviews on this as well, but there are more good than there was bad, so I decided to get it. I see a difference because when I comb my hair, the comb just gets stuck, you know. It's not a good time. It's not a fun time. Nobody enjoys those things. After using this product, I still struggle with that. But I mean, at the end of the day, it makes my hair feel better. It makes my hair feel healthier. So yeah, you can also put this on damp or dry hair. For me, I tried both ways. When I put it on my damp hair, it didn't really work out for me. I blow dry my hair just because I blow dry my hair. But also I put a heat protectant spray in it. You know, I don't know about hair. I'm not a professional. It works. It doesn't work. I don't know. Yeah, so I do that, and then after I put the hair oil in, it says to put 2 drops in and it'll be good, but I put 4 drops because, like I said, my hair is damaged. Rub it in my hands and I just put it through. I was like, oh, she's looking good, she's looking fresh. I FaceTimed one of my friends and she was like, your hair, why does your hair look so straight? And I was like, girl, my hair is straight. She just need a little bit of help. Because we are in quarantine and I'm not going anywhere, I'm not seeing anyone, I just wanted to improve my skin. I want, you know, she needed help. She really did. So I bought all skincare products except that hair product. And except for this product, which is Fenty Beauty's new cream blush. Yes, sis. Rihanna's on that. She knows what we need. You guys can see the reflection of my laptop, my glasses, so I'm just gonna take her off. So for the last product, which is the Fenty Beauty cream product, this is what she looks like. I got it in Rose Latte. That's how she looks like. I also have it in my face right now. You know, if you can, you see that? Do you see that? I don't know if you do. Okay, anyway. I like cream blushes just because I feel like you can just work them in your skin better and it just looks more natural. For this, you don't need to use a brush. Just use your hands. And it just works out very well for you. So if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because I'm still starting out and I want to be able to make videos just for fun and just for people to watch. Obviously, what else do you do on YouTube? And also, I love watching beauty videos, whether it's skincare, whether it's makeup, just because it's so much fun. You know, when people say natural is better, I mean, yeah, like, of course, embrace your skin, embrace the features that God has given you, but I don't think there's anything wrong with wanting to enhance those things. So embrace and enhance. Ooh, 2 little things, you know what I'm saying? I contour a lot because, girl, boy, you know, God didn't bless me in that aspect, but that's okay. God blessed me in other things, so we're good. I love you, God. Make sure you're staying safe. Make sure you're social distancing, because y'all, I see people that are still like go outside with no mask and they're not social distancing, and I'm like, y'all really want us to be in lockdown forever? But anyway, that's basically it. Stay safe, y'all.